the Mercedes-Benz C63s Red Pig by S Klub LA, a stunning blend of modern performance and classic inspiration. Join us as we delve into the intricate details, craftsmanship, and engineering marvels that make this C63s a true standout in the world of custom cars. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, the C63s Red Pig is sure to captivate your imagination. Engine and performance. At the heart of the C63s Red Pig lies a meticulously tuned 4-liter V8 Biturbo engine, a powerhouse that delivers an astonishing amount of 600 horsepower and 479 torque. S Klub LA has employed the latest performance technology to extract maximum power and efficiency from the engine. Key modifications include upgraded turbochargers, a custom intake and exhaust system, and advanced engine management systems. These enhancements ensure that the C63s Red Pig delivers exhilarating acceleration and top-end performance, making it a true driver's car. S Klub styling keeps things simple for the most part, but at the other end of the perspective, the Pig has a front splitter and rear diffuser. Not as though this car is going to ever utilize that. Exterior brightwork is now rendered blacked out to match the carbon bits that attempt to control the air. It also has a half roll cage too, one that passes right through the back seats. The back seats, and the whole interior for that matter, are directly from the C63. It makes for a unique contrast of new and old. But of course, some additional work is done to the interior to make it unique. A square steering wheel is one such change. Otherwise, it's a C63AMG.